Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, the very deadly and terrible incident, my people, were occurred in a Porus, Manchester yesterday, my people, at the supermarket, where 2 persons were killed by these wicked and terrible and dreadful perpetrators, my people. Shortly after they were cornered, they were captured by the police, these criminals, my people. So, you don't know, so we talk about the footage and a lot of people say, NEWLINK, we want to see the footage and we want to do that, you know. So I'm going to show you the footage, my people, you understand, of this incident when it do occurred at the time when them go them people and manage to go in there and to show you how these sin thing are wicked and cruel. Because this sin thing then just start spray up the place, like wet up the place for people. And the boy have the K9 on my people and the man turn on the K and he not even looking for man. In the, randomly, you know, them just shoot stuff in the rest of them sin thing are cruel and then sin thing are wicked. And I real level my people, there should be a different scenario with them and the police, because they're too cruel and see 2 innocent people the man them cut down. That even the man the sin thing them cut down. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So look on the footage now, my people, and this occurred, as I tell you, yesterday, which was December the 9th on the Friday 2022, my people, in a Porus, Manchester, and you will see what I'm talking about. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Check out this, my people. Some viewers and subscribers, they wicked, them cruelly, my people, no, them just wet up the place, so them just you understand and you can't see, you know, basically, one in the car away, the getaway car, my people, 3 of them enter in there and whatever them go for, them go do, my people, and it's not inside, you know, they literally like wet up the people inside, you know, no. Is when them come outside, my people, and them just wet up the place. And by gracious of God, if you can look into the first part of the footage of people, you see a lady was in the car with another girl. You understand, and she like they was covering down, but like a spirit tell them, so run off. And boy, if they never run off, my people, maybe that hear a different talk in a different scenario. Jaja see, Jaja knows. Yo, my people, the man them too wicked and cruel, man, the same thing them. Look there, they sprue up the place like that. Oh my bird, oh my precious NEWLINK. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, man. I don't know more love, more respect, and more blessings. Now, thank you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comments of people. I don't know one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Me I tell her, the street, it deadly out there, it terrible out there, my viewers and subscribers. But again, big up to the Jamaica Constabulary Force them too. Because they manage to corner them, as I say, a lot of people that want to hear something different. But on a real level, they manage to corner them capture them people. And you see we showing at the previous video what I was telling about what them recovered my viewers and subscribers. Even the AK, they recovered the other two pieces of thing them. You understand? But on a real level, the same thing they're wicked and them cruel and Jaja sees and Jaja knows. So stay safe. Continue to do the right thing. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Big up.